Did you know that you can make $600 by using this absolutely free app? Once the richest investor in the world, Warren Buffett, said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." And that's why, if you're someone who is looking for ways to make passive income, then you must subscribe to this channel, because this is exactly what we're talking about here. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 apps that can generate you money while you're sleeping. The first 2 of them will pay only for downloading them. And the third one has nothing to do with those 2 apps, and it will pay you $600 for absolutely free. Make sure to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to share with you some strategies that will put you a step ahead of your competitors. Also consider liking the video, because it helps the algorithm and you're helping other people who are on the same position like you to find this video. So let's dive in. So first, I'm going to show you the 2 apps that will pay you only for downloading them. It is a pure passive income. Next, we will talk about the app that will pay you $600. So in total, I'm going to show you 3 apps that you can make money with. Let's start with the first one. The first app is called Money SMS. And of course, you have to download it on your smartphone. I'm just trying to show you the app and explain you how it works. That's why I'm on the website. If you decide to use the app, you should obviously download it. First, I'm going to explain you what it does and then how it works. Money SMS app is testing service. It pays you money just for receiving SMS. And you can be asking, why do they even pay me anything for receiving SMS? The reason is that a lot of telecom SMS providers and mobile network operators need to send SMS test messages to foreign countries to verify and ensure proper delivery of their SMS routes. You actually get paid because they use your phone number to provide such testing services. And don't worry, you don't have to pay for anything, you don't have to answer to those SMSs. It is an absolutely passive income. It is making money while you're sleeping. Let's analyze the app in depth. Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers. So here are some other details that you must pay attention to. The first one is that it works only on Android, but don't worry, because the main app that I'm going to show you work on iOS and Android as well. Keep watching. Here you can read, our application is exclusively Android based because only Android allows apps to read SMS. As I've already mentioned, the app that pays $600 is available on both of them. You don't have to do anything but downloading the app. Here you can read earns money online. You just need to install our app and get paid by our Making Money app for received SMS test messages. It is absolutely secure. I've done lots of researches before making the video, and the app is not a scam. Here you can read secure. Our app does not read any of your private messages or uses any other data. We read only our own test SMS. So basically, they don't care what's going on your phone. They just want to make sure that their app works. As I've said, you don't have to pay anything. It is a free app. Our app is completely free. You do not need to pay anything to get started, and there are no hidden fees. And the best part is that it is a passive income. You don't have to do anything. It is an absolutely passive income. Automatic. You earn money with the app passively without any active actions required from your side. This is what we call making money while you're sleeping, the dream of everyone. And the referral program, actually it is what we call affiliate marketing. You just get a link or code and you're referring it to your friends. And if your friend makes $100, you're automatically making $30. Referral program, You can refer our app to your friends and community and earn 30% from their earnings. This is how you can double and even triple your earnings. Here's an explanation how you can download the app and how you can set the things up. You can watch the video or you can just read the steps. Are we scam or legit? At Money SMS, we take all the necessary measures to ensure that we comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy requirements. You can see, guys, that they're really concerned about the security. If you're not secure whether we pay our users, you can check the proofs of payments from many of our users on an independent website, Net Business Rating. And here on this website, you can see the rankings and reviews of the app itself. By the way, here you have instructions and everything is explained very well and in detail. Also, you have questions and answers placed that you can check as well. So guys, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. If you're interested or you want to know more about the app, you can check it out. By the way, do you have any passive income stream? Can you please share it with me in the comment section below? I'll be really happy. Let's talk about the next app. The next app is called Cash Magnet app. I'm on the website again. It is a totally free app, and once again it pays you for only downloading it, and you have to download it. You don't have to take any surveys, you don't have to play any games, download other apps, etc. You don't have to spend any time on it. All you have to do is just download it to your smartphone and then just leave your phone and do something that you love, like eating, sleeping, bathing, or if you have any hobby, you can enjoy it, or just get a drink with your friends, or if you have some kind of side hustle, you can work in it. And here is the best part. Cash Magnet pays much more than the previous app. You can even buy another phone. It is insane, right? All you have to do is just to download the app and you can make money passively. This is what we call make money while you're sleeping. The app is not using your data. It is a safe one. You can also become a referral, and as I've already explained, it is an affiliate marketing and you get commission whenever someone registers by using your code or link and starts making money, and you're getting some kind of percentage from it. And if you want to know more about the app, you can find information here, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below as well. Also guys, consider liking the video because it helps the algorithm a lot and it helps me as well, if I have to be honest. If you think that this video is giving you some value, smash the like button. Also guys, if you have any questions and you want to know more things about those apps, let me know in the comment section below. I'm always answering the questions and you can find us on Instagram as well. And before I forget, here is one thing that you have to pay attention to. This app can be used only by Android users as well. But don't worry, the last app that will generate you $600 can be used by iOS users as well. Keep watching. So guys, finally we are going to talk about the last app that will pay you $600. And the best part is that it can be used by Android users and by iOS users as well. Before I share with you the name of the app, I'm going to explain you how it works and what the app is for. You can download the app for absolutely free, and the best part is that you're earning money just by listening music. Like, how is this possible? Is this real life? Who doesn't listen music? Like, I'm doing it every day while I'm exercising, sometimes when I'm having dinner or when I'm sad or even happy or if I want to dance. Like, music is a part of my life. I'm using it in different situations, but it is like eating for me. I'm listening music every single day, and I'm sure that everyone does it. And you don't have to listen random rappers or genre that is not really your taste. There are more than 100,000 radio stations and you can find the one that you really like. You can literally start earning after downloading the app. I think this is a great way of making some extra cash. And of course, you can have some questions about the app, and here are some answers to them. How do I earn? Probably the most asked question ever. The more you play, the more you earn. Everyone who signs up can play curated radio stations in current and earn in-app points called points. During the media playback, you'll encounter several opportunities to generate points. We are constantly adding more ways to earn, so look out for important updates. So basically, it depends how long you're listening to the radio station, and of course, no one is checking if you really listen to it. And you can be sleeping and put the phone on mute mode and let the songs go on and keep earning money while you're sleeping. How do I spend my points? Points can be spent in various ways. Gift cards to your favorite services, physical products and electronics, and donations to select charities. I mean, get whatever you want. How do I earn more per play? With every tap of the play button, you can earn points. The speed at which you earn is based on how much of your profile has been completed and how long you're consuming. Our most valuable users play frequently and share preferences generously, and we want to reward them for their contributions. How do I get music offline? In order to get music offline, choose a radio station to play and press record at the beginning of a song you like. Once you're done recording, press stop and the recordings will be in your library. Please note this feature will only work on the radio integration. And there are more questions and answers that you can check if you're interested. I'm going to leave the link in the description below, and of course let me give you the name of the app, I was going to forget it. So guys, this magical app is called Current Us. You can just put your number here and ask the website to send you the directions for the app, or you can just take your smartphone and download the app. You can also see that you can even find a job here, so many opportunities. The app is absolutely great. I think we really live in a crazy decade. Who pays you for listening music? It is like enjoying the life and having great time and being paid because of it. You should definitely check the apps without making any excuses. And if you liked the video, you can definitely check this one as well, where I'm explaining you how you can make more than $5,000 per month by using the website on the video. So guys, I hope that you've enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button, consider subscribing, and if you want more videos like this one, let me know in the comment section below. Enjoy your week, have a nice day.